friends, this is Two Busy Beaders here, and today
we are going to be making a bracelet from our Butterfly Do-It-Yourself Bracelet Kit. So this is what our finished product will look like. And when you order the kit, it'll come in this box. And when you open it, you'll have everything that you need in this little baggie.
you will have beads and some string. And if you don't have a bead stopper, you can use Scotch tape to tape the end off of your string.
So you would just tape it to the table so your beads won't slide off. But we have this handy bead stopper, and you can do any pattern that you want to with the bracelet.
And these holes are kind of tiny.
I need better glasses. And you can do any pattern, any color, size. Let's do 2 beads and then a bead. I think these beads right here, I think look like inner tubes. Or donuts. They're like donuts.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Now I want a donut. So let's do a blue one next, since we did a pink one.
And like we said, you can use like any pattern that you want. You can place the butterfly wherever you want. I mean, it goes all on your choice.
Because whatever you do, it's going to be beautiful. These little clear pink beads are the ones that I have a hard time seeing the hole in them. Let's see. And you could use a bead stringer, like a needle looking thing. That would help. But you just need to be careful not to poke yourself. Let's use this bright blue. I think all these colors are beautiful. So let's do now, let's get ready for the butterfly.
I think my favorite color bead is probably this green one.
I knew you was gonna say that.
It's like an aqua almost. But again, all of them are so gorgeous and pretty.
And it's a very springtimey bracelet because it's got the butterfly and it's got the spring colors.
It's all fun, awesome colors.
We really like fun beads here at Two Busy Beaders.
Right now, I'm actually wearing some fun beads.
All right, so we've got the last little teeny tiny bead. And for time's sake, I didn't really organize a pattern to this, so they're just kind of thrown on there. But you can take the time to plan out whatever kind of pattern that you like. So then we carefully take the bead stop off, and we're going to tie it off. In the kit, you will get 12 inches of string, and you will get enough beads to make a 6.5 inch bracelet. So, whoops. So then you'll tie this off, and then either you or an adult, if you need an adult, you'll just clip the strings off. And then you will get this beautiful bracelet. Oh, my wrist here.
Ooh, yes, perfect.
Let's put this over here. Cute little bead, butterfly bead, very springy, and nice and stretchy elastic. And you can get this do-it-yourself bracelet kit over at our Etsy shop, Two Busy Beaders, and the link will be in the description or in the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Bye.